Today, I'll walk you through how to remove spacing between elements in Elementor WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust the spacing settings so you can create a cleaner, more cohesive design for your website. Let's dive right in. First, open your Elementor editor. If you're not familiar with Elementor, it's a powerful page builder that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Now the first step is to click on the Advanced tab in the Elementor panel. This is where you'll find all the settings related to margins and padding, which are crucial for adjusting spacing. Once you click on Advanced, you'll see various options appear. Next, we need to unlink the margin controls. This allows you to set the margin values independently. Click on the small chain icon next to the margin settings and then set all the values to 0. This action will remove any unwanted space around your element, giving it a more streamlined appearance, a bit like decluttering a room to make it feel more spacious. After you've adjusted the margins, it's time to tackle the padding. Padding is the space inside the element itself, and just like before, we want to unlink the padding controls. Click on the chain icon next to the padding settings and set all values to 0 as well. This will ensure that there's no extra space inside your element, allowing for a tighter layout. Think of it as removing excess fluff from a pillow to make it more comfortable. Once you've completed these steps, take a moment to preview your changes. You should notice a significant difference in how your elements are spaced. If you find that you still need a little bit of space, you can always adjust the margins and padding slightly instead of leaving them at 0. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the spacing between elements in Elementor WordPress. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it look more professional and polished. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.